Don't we?
We could use it.
All right, new on the night team. When the tow trucks couldn't reach trapped residents in Providence, the police department turned to its BearCat.
It is a high-powered machine. The night team's Kate Hanowich got a look at it.
Stay off the roads, something heard time and time again during the blizzard of 2026.
The weather got really bad. Just about everything in the city was stuck. The plow trucks, the ambulances, the police cars.
After getting call after call about stuck vehicles, the Providence Police Department had to step in, deploying the BearCat.
Weighs about 8 tons, so it's very heavy.
The BearCat, pulling out police cruisers and even ambulances.
We had a tow strap and some cables and ropes in there. We were able to tow those vehicles out and get the officers back to Central Station.
Also making more serious rescues.
There was a Johnson Fire Rescue and a Cranston Fire Rescue that were transporting patients to the hospital, and then we got them to the hospital for the care that they needed.
All this during dangerous conditions.
It was different. There was no visibility, zero visibility at some times, but it was able to make its way through.
All right, right now I'm inside the BearCat and we're going about 10 miles per hour, which is about the same speed they were going during the blizzard. The only difference is there's only slush on the ground and there's traffic this time, so it is a little difficult, and you can only imagine what it was like driving this thing when there's 2-3 feet of snow on the ground. Despite the hazardous snow, the BearCat was also able to get doctors, nurses, and other healthcare workers to their jobs.
You know, the city was struggling during the snowstorm, so it was just like anything else. It was just getting out there and getting to people that need help.
In Providence, I'm Kate Hanowich, NBC 10 News.